Hi everyone, welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 29th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to gold now as my final chart, and it's interesting that we've seen these safe haven flows into gold early on in today, but that has slowly drifted away. We had a reaction high of 1186.90, that's basically entirely almost unwound now, $10 below where it that peak price today. And it's sort of coming back towards the lows of this range again, sort of still around 1175 is where I'm sort of looking at the key low area of this range. Look at this, that was the sort of gap up at the open today, and it's almost entirely unwound to fill that gap. Let's have a look at how this price reacts to filling the gap. If it does fill it and then bounce, then that's a positive move. If it closes the gap, i.e. closes tonight below the gap level, which is, let me get this chart going here on the daily, 1174.60. If it closes below that, then you're looking at negatively again. And to be honest, all the momentum indicators are still actually fairly range bound. Actually, RSI still moving above 40, MACD lines just slightly negative on the outlook, but stochastics are sort of beginning to bottom, and that's obviously helped by this sort of swing higher today. However, that is in danger of sort of being turned around. You do have the improvement on the momentum indicators, that's on the RSI and the stochastics on the hourly chart. So yes, it will be very interesting to see how the gold price reacts if it does come back to fill this price, because gaps do fill, and that should be what we're seeing in the coming hours. So not far from filling that move at the moment. But as I said, if we do come back and close that gap, you're likely to see a continued retracement back towards the 1168.25 level, which comes in as support above the 1162.35 support. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today. Bit of a turnaround in sentiment. Obviously, safe haven flows not as strong as they had been earlier, but I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later or tomorrow, actually.